Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is time for some more beauty related content. I haven't done the makeup on the top half of my face and I haven't done my brows because today we are going to do brow lamination at home, and we are going to use this lash lift kit from Icon Sign, which I got on Amazon for £13. So I've seen loads of people on YouTube doing the at-home brow lamination, and I'm just super excited to try it out because one thing that always annoys me is the fact that I always have to push my brows into place. It's just so long and you just want to sometimes get up and go, but your brows just make you look like a hot mess. So anyway, let's get into this tutorial. So guys, what do you think? I am really impressed with the results. I didn't even realise that I actually have really long eyebrows, so I had a lot to cut and a lot to comb up, but I'm really impressed with the results. I think my eyebrows look spectacular. They look really long and full and fluffy, and I've only filled them in with a tiny bit of pencil, hardly anything at all. I just feel like this is so much more of a natural fleeky brow look rather than sort of pastedly drawn on brows. So if you've got enough brow hair, this is an amazing option for you. If you haven't got that much brow hair, I probably wouldn't recommend it, because if you're brushing your brows up and you don't have that much, it might just make your brows look even more sparse. But if you are having trouble with growing your hair, your eyebrows, your eyelashes, anything, you can use castor oil, but I know some people are just genetically predisposed to having thin hair wherever they have hair on their body. But I'm absolutely loving these results. I just thought I'd try this on a whim, but I think I'm going to do this really regularly. If I can just wake up and have brows like this, on to a winner. Give you guys a close-up again. I think this looks really natural. I really like this. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Yeah. But yeah, this kit was really easy to use, and I hope you enjoyed following it along with me. I literally just used the directions on the back of the kit, so no expert knowledge when it comes to brow lamination. It was super easy. It took me less than 35 minutes altogether. So yeah, if you want that fleeky brow, do it, just do it. What are you waiting for? Okay, so update everyone. I actually dyed my eyebrows, or tinted my eyebrows with a bit of like Just For Men tinting facial hair cream or whatever. My other half had some, so I didn't even need to go look and buy a kit or anything. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like with a tint. How good does that look? This looks like really full and really natural. So I definitely recommend doing this.